Hi, welcome to Explore Yourself.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.
Today we going to review the one of best Android X86 Os called PrimeOS. PrimeOS is one of the best Android OS for PC apps, as it provides a similar Android experience on your desktop. Features like multi-window, taskbar and key mapper for games, and is an app in the OS and utilities category. The main features of PrimeOS are multi-window support, dedicated taskbar, key mapping for games, large number of app support, desktop-like user interface. The PrimeOS available for 32-bit and 64-bit systems. They categorize into three types: Classic, Standard, Mainline. Classic for older 32-bit systems. Standard for 64-bit newer systems comes between 2011 and plus. Mainline for 64-bit newer systems comes between 2014 and plus. The PrimeOS also available in the form of a Z installer for Windows. You can download it from their official website or from link below in description. Hope enjoy this video. See you in other video. Until bye from Explore Yourself.